When we travel by bus, most of us never think about where the engine is placed. We simply take a seat, look outside the window, and let the journey begin. But that one decision made by engineers, whether the engine sits at the front or at the rear, quietly decides how the engine sounds, how it feels, and also how comfortable the journey becomes. In some buses, the engine makes its presence felt immediately. You can hear it, feel it, and even sense its heat near the front seats. In others, the engine stays almost invisible, working silently from far behind the passenger cabin. The difference in the feeling is not accidental. It is the result of two very different engineering philosophies. In a front engine bus, the engine is positioned close to the driver. This brings vibration and mechanical noise into the cabin, while also occupying valuable front space. In contrast, the rear engine bus pushes the engine away from passengers, instantly reducing noise and freeing up interior space. One feels functional and industrial, the other feels calm and refined. As the bus moves through the real roads, this contrast becomes cleaner. Front engine buses carry more weight over the front axle, which helps them handle potholes, speed breakers, and also uneven surfaces with confidence. Rear engine buses distribute weight more evenly across the chassis, improving stability and smoothness at high speeds, especially on highways. Comfort follows the same pattern. In front engine buses, the engine sound becomes part of the travel experience. Conversions require effort, and long journeys can feel tiring. In rear engine buses, silence takes over. The ride feels smoother, less stressful, and far more relaxed, especially during long distance travel. Maintenance and cost also tell two different stories. Front engine buses are easy to service, inexpensive to maintain, and ideal for daily high frequency operations. Rear engine buses demand skilled technicians, better infrastructure, and higher investment, but in return they offer a premium experience that passengers are willing to pay for. Even the driving character changes. A front engine bus feels heavy and work oriented. A rear engine bus feels balanced, smooth, and effortless on open roads. Both are doing the same job, but they approach it in the completely different way. This is why city buses and rural transport still rely on front engine layouts, while luxury coaches and long distance buses almost choose rear engine designs. Engineers are not choosing comfort over practicality or cost over quality. They are choosing the right tool for the job. In the end, neither design is better by default. Front engine buses are built for durability, simplicity, and survival in harsh conditions. Rear engine buses are built for comfort, silence, and long distance efficiency. Next time you step into a bus, listen carefully. The sound, vibration, and space around you tell a story. It is a story of how the bus was designed long before your journey started. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.